Hey guys, I'm here today. I'm playing Avatar in the world of AS. So we are in Eben. So and then this map is a so close. It's basically Hachitech Space Station. So close. Meltdown is doing a meltdown. It's Avatar information. So this is Eben. When I open the button every time I say there is locked. You go in the box, it teleports you. So this is a collision. So we're gonna do an knockdown. Yeah, we here. If we have we have to call with the cigarettes. The white color. I don't know if it's a collision and then I'm tired. Knockdown. What's my freestyle? I said never know freestyle. It is my glass book. So we're gonna do a meltdown. Destroy this meltdown. So we're gonna destroy everything there isn't. So my spaceship. Let's go. So Avatar.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
For Avatar. Glass book in every scene. So you see that. That's the color when you Avatar. That's the color glowing on the essay orange for Evan. So let's go.
Mika, Mia về trường già lồng để cùng mua
That's one Avatar.
Mia sinh nhật là
Hotel.
là đốt là gì đó
12. That's Avatar and the scene. So Avatar in Avatar. So Avatar in Avatar. So Avatar in Avatar. So Avatar in Avatar. So the color makes you even. So welcome in Avatar and you lock the door. Lock the door. Oh, but well, you can't see the box. It make it red. But if you see that, it make a meltdown and destroy everything. No nukes. Every time. Nukes. Oh, you go in front, there's nukes. You go back, there's no nukes. Oh my god, it's just make a meltdown. A meltdown. You sit down, make a meltdown. Fine. This amount alarm is just making come out. There's a black curtain and it make a meltdown and acid. So I'm making a for an emission Avatar. So emission. So Evan going back to the end of the time. So Evan go and dying in the place Avatar in the world in the Avatar bank. Avatar dying on the place Avatar. So man and Avatar look like that. This is by me. The buying battle spaceship by me. By Terrible. Sorry. I'm so lucky. So hope I just wait for the meltdown and then I go out. Okay. So I was the meltdown. Let's see. Meltdown. It's making everything. The meltdown was fucking out. That's the best one. What? Why? But because the meltdown is everything. You see that T minus Avatar and then let's change to escape. Step it up. A computer. Whatever. It make it go back. No nukes. Go front. Nukes. Yes. Go in. more. Oh. So you see that? See. Watch it. Watch it. Watch that. Going fun. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Okay. Oh my god, look at that. It's so appetizing. So what, you know what is appetizer? It make it falling. Die. And make an evidence about it is already abounded. Alright. My show colors in my instance is a nuke innocent. The nuke is in my avatar. Hoping I have to build a security door. So let me try a second. The door. Sorry, I don't need that. Transport. So it's my door avatar. Dentist. Security door avatar. Security door. The security door. So I'm making a wall. So hold on. Fucking Jesus Christ. So in making meltdown. Hey, you see that? See that? Hey, you know who's gay? Hey, you know who's gay? You. You're fucking. Hey, you know who's gay? It's a making out. It's a make a sound and make a sound. Listen. C-A. Change zone. Change your toe. Hey, change your toe. Fuck. By myself. Oh man, I'm so sad. So sad. Make you the reactor meltdown. It's on the right in the meltdown. We don't know how to walk. Dude, look at I red. Stupid. Oh, I can't do it. Okay. So I built the security door, so nice. But you walk in and make your security door. When acid tonight, you die every time you sing. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching in the avatar in the world. Bye.